A Whizzer tank. I was going through the bike today and found that I had looks like a loose bung. So you can see it's loose, and I've ground the edges, and we're going to try brazing it. The tank looks good on the inside. There's a problem with this part here. I need to make some threads, so I'm going to tap it, and I use the smaller bits and work my way up to the size that I need to use for tapping it. And what I'll do is I'll use my tap and I'll tap it so I can put a pipe in there. We'll see how it goes. As you can see, I braze this bung in there. And I got my flame going, but I got to reach over and turn this thing off. And what I used was Muggy Weld brazing, and it looks like it might be in there. It's really hot right now. I'm gonna sand it, or not sand, but kind of scrape it a little bit with a brush, clean it up, and see if I've got a seal. After welding the bung in, I had to re-tap this, so it looking like it's going in pretty well. So I'll take it out, clean it up. Okay, after cleaning it up, I got the bung installed, sanded, and tapped. As you can see, it's tapped. It's it's got some paint damage because of the heat from my torch, but it's not a perfect tank. It is, again, a 1947 Whizzer, and it's got looks like some gasoline spillage. So it's not a perfect thing, and I can put this on and still be okay as an original rider. I'll try to do some sanding on this maybe, or just kind of clean it up just a little bit more, but I will flush the tank, seal this obviously, and I'll flush the tank, and I'll get everything out of it, and then I'll make sure it's dry, because the tank is in really good shape. So not too bad in there at all. Anyway, again, thanks to Muggy Weld, looks like I got a good, at least a good seal for now until I get the water test. All right, here we go. Here's my Whizzer tank. I've repaired the bung. Got a little bit of paint damage here, but I put a petcock on here, and I've got water in there, and we're gonna. So the water is coming out of the petcock, no problem.